Let's learn about Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem states that a square plus b square equals c square for right triangle. Right triangle, it's mean here 90 degree. If we say the length from this point to this point a, here b, and here c, the theorem states a square plus b square will give us c square. And in the next video, I will do example for this by substitute a, b, and c with numbers. Now, if we have 4 times of this triangle, and I will put it in 2 shape. Here we have 4 triangle here and 4 triangle here. I will fill these triangle on red color. I will use red color. So here these triangle are equal. So this triangle is here, then I rotate it here, then rotate it here. But in this one, I put this triangle here, then I rotate it here, then the same thing, I rotate it here, or I reflect it to the opposite side, then here the same thing. So we have here 4 triangle and here 4 triangle. So here I will write it here, this A, which is here, because here 90 degree angle, and here 90 degree angle, 90 degree angle, 90 degree angle, 90 degree angle, the same thing to make it clear for anyone to know where is the hypotenuse from the shape. As we can see here, the longest part here, which is the hypotenuse, is here C, here A, and here B, here B, A, B, A, B, because this one is the same of this one, and here the same of this one, and here C, which is the opposite of the hypotenuse. The same thing here, A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B. This B, I will do the same thing here, B. So here's B. The same thing here, B. I will put here B. So B, B. And here A, I will extend this one to be like this, and extend this the same of this one here. So here A. So now we have 2 identical shape and they have same area. Of course, here we have C, 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 C. The area of this shape here, of course, this one is square. Why it's square? Because if we put this dot and here X, since we have this one 90 degree, then the sum of these 90 degree, because the sum of angles of a triangle equal 180, which we have discussed in the previous video. So 180 equal this one 90 degree and plus this dot plus this X. So we have 90 degree. So since this one 90 degree and here the same as this one dot, here it will be X. So these 90 degree, and of course this shape is the same as here dot and here X. So since this one X and dot the same of this one, these two equal 90 degree, then this one equal 90 degree. The same thing here, it will be 90 degree, 90 degree, 90 degree, because this dot here, the angle between A and C should be dot, A between A and C dot, A and C dot, between B and C x, x. So we find this angle is 90 degrees. Then the area of this shape equal C square. I will use another color. So here C square, because C multiplied by C equals C square, since this one is square. The same thing here. This one is square because I extend this one here, then extend this one here, so this one is square. The area of this square B multiplied B, which is B square. The area of this square, which is A square. So here we have 4 triangle equal this area of these 4 triangle. Therefore, the empty square equal to these 2 empty square, because this length is the same as this length, which is AB, and of course this length the same of this length, so we can compare it. So we have here A square plus B square equal C square. That's it. We conclude that the Pythagoras theorem states that if we have right triangle, we will get A square plus B square equals C square.